I am not just the body you see. I am also a soul that is sent by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to this temporary place of test. I didn't choose the body I entered, and I didn't choose the womb that carried me, and I didn't choose the home that I was sent to. But I was entrusted with both, the body and the soul. I was entrusted to use my mind, my limbs, my time, my senses, my emotions, and my desires for what is good. My test is to carry multiple roles. It might be a daughter, a sister, a wife, a mother, a friend, a colleague, a citizen of this world. My test is to fulfill each role with sincerity and honesty. And with every step, I have a choice. I have a choice in who joins my journey and who does not. I have a choice to be from either the righteous or the misguided. Every decision is mine. And when the exam is over, the soul returns alone, leaving the body in here. The soul returns with no titles, no roles, no positions, no one around, only the soul. And at that moment, عَلِمَتْ نَفْسٌ مَا أَحْضَرَتْ. Every soul will know what it has brought forth.